Hi, N5762. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marjel Akdal, 45 years old. I have one son. My
Your religion,
Roman Catholic.
and
I live in Biasong Libagong, Southern Leyte.
your highest
I'm a high
education.
school graduate.
Okay, and your civil status.
I'm married.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experienced on a different country, which is Kuwait and also Qatar, right? So you have an experience for almost 4 years. Tell me about your experience as a helper in Kuwait.
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, mopping, dusting, and taking care of the family, ironing, and car washing.
How many car do you car wash?
One car.
Okay, and you are the one who taking care of the children, which is 9 and 11 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have another experience in Qatar. Tell me about your experience in Qatar.
I have experience in Qatar for 2 years, and I serve three adults in the family.
Okay. And other household chores that you do.
Um, Cleaning, cooking, um, ironing the clothes, and gardening, and
Car washing also,
car
right?
washing.
How many cars do you have?
One car.
Only one car. Okay. Since you have an experience being a helper for almost 4 years, but I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Uh, I will first I will make wash the bottle, and then after I sterilize, and then I put some lukewarm water, and then I put some milk, and then and shake it well, and then I'll check the temperature of the water, and I'll give it to the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Yeah, I'll check first the temperature, and also the diaper is wet.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and you also change the diaper, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call first to inform my
Okay,
employer.
and what you should said to your employer?
And I said to them that the baby doesn't stop crying.
Okay, and you could also ask them what you should do to the baby to make it stop to cry because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a high salary and it's the safest country, and I want to support my family in the Philippines, especially my son.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
2 years. But if your employer wants you to extend your contract, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Um, Through YouTube,
Okay,
watching YouTube.
you could watch on YouTube. So you don't have any idea how to prepare
Storybooks.
Chinese story.
I uh, Cookbook.
Okay, you could buy some cookbooks. You could also read it so that you could learn how to prepare Chinese food.
Yes.
And also, if your employers have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you would also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right? So you don't have any idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about color it into black? It is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer? It is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about if there's any elderly of their family? It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay. Um, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I'll do my duties and responsibilities, and
Okay.
I will do the rules and follow the rules and regulation
Of their house.
of the house.
Okay. Can you also promise to take good care of their family and also their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Margel. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.